Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to IronFX webinars. Shall we just wait for 1 to 2 minutes, all right, for everyone to tune in, and I will start the session very soon. So how is everyone doing so far? Okay, I think I will start like in 2 minutes, okay? By the way, if you have any instruments you want me to have a look for you guys, you can just send in either the Q&A or in the chat box, okay? Okay, all right, shall we start? I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Again, welcome everyone to IronFX webinars. So today is all about breaking news and trade setup. Okay, so before I start, disclaimer first, all right, the information in this webinar should not be considered investment or investment recommendation, but instead educational material only. Okay, the material is just the personal opinion of the author and the client investment objective and risk tolerance have not been considered. INLX is not responsible for any loss arising from any information contained herein. Okay, and risk warning, trading, Forex, and CFD carry significant risk to your capital, and it may not suitable for all investors. All right. So if you want to trade, just do your own due diligence. Okay. The speaker for today, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader. Okay, and currently I'm working with the Rocket. It's used to be IronFX group. Okay, and then we renamed at Rocket. Okay, so we are finalists for the best FX results in 2020, 20, and 21, and the best equity result in 2020 and 2021. Okay, so should we have a quick look on the news that we need to take note of? Okay. By the way, you can just change the time zone according where you live here. So now I just set at a UTC, okay? Let's just look for like entire week. And we already know that because yesterday my time zone, okay, that's what election day, and you can see that the dollar is rising, EU, GU, and gold, okay, it's all falling really strongly. Even like New York market open like yesterday, okay. So today, 7th of November, okay, what you need to take note, we have like GBP is coming up later, and we also have like Fed speaking and FOMC. So this one you need to take note of high impact news. And tomorrow we have Canadian. Okay, that is high impact news that you guys need to take note of. And shall we just have a quick look on dollar? Okay, so look at yesterday, because of the news release, we have the gap over here, right? There's an open gap here when the market opened yesterday. Okay, so now we already see that dollar is pulling back. So just want to identify where is our key level. Here is gonna be my first support, which is a pullback. We will identify the first support bit, and based on head 4 time frame, right? We could use the extension that price stop where 161.8, that is going to be the resistance, which is you're going to sell from this level, or we kind of like project where the price going to stop. We will use the extension for our first resistance. You have to look to the left, stretch back here, that's your resistance level, which is a pullback. Okay, now it's become overlap resistance level, and we kind of will see price falling. And from here, you might see a price bounce from that level, which is we will combine with Fibonacci, where it's gonna, I'm gonna pick 38.2%. This is gonna be my support zone or support area. Okay, and my second support, I will pick here for my second support, meaning that if price, you know, break below, you could wait at second support. That's gonna line up or close to 38.2 for the first support, and second support are gonna be 78.6%. Okay. Sure. So do you see the number chain? So I think for tonight, let's say they break, you wait for this second support to buy $1 because it might close the gap here. Okay, we will just monitor the level. This is the number. Okay. First resistance here. Let's say price break above first resistance. Shall we look at the left? That's gonna be the next resistance level. I'll just put here at the multi swing high resistance level. Shall we look at the RSI? What do you see at RSI? You to use RSI like for like a momentum indicator, you see that RSI is already go above 70, right? So at 70, and it's also somehow, it's not somehow, it's also close to or line up with 161.8. So you can sell at that level. Okay. Okay, now we look at the EU. You will see that the EU/USD price will pull back from our support level. And price already here at the support level as well for the RSI. Okay, we to pull here where price all the way to capture at this pullback. I think they are at the, okay, let me look. Okay, you look at the daily time frame. It will capture, even though you will to wait here. Okay, you will to put here for the first support for the body. Price almost touching front a few pip, and then it's rising. For the resistance, here is going to be my first resistance. But again, there is a news coming up, so you just watch out this level. Okay, let's say price break above, then you might need to wait for the next resistance level. So if you don't have any order, you wait at second resistance. Okay, usually for the high impact news, right? Price may reverse from the second or first resistance or second resistance. You just wait first. But price approaching, you can sell here, use confirmation, and then you try to close your profit, okay, or your trade before the news release. Okay. That would be 61.38.2, right? For our resistance level, this is the number. Okay, I know that you guys prefer me to like put the number because this number somehow a lot of people give me a feedback they cannot see. Okay, so I just have to do like that. Okay, if I want to move in again, I will put here for my somehow my TP. Let's say I want to sell, because here also have my demand, is a demand zone from here, and I will just put here for the second support, which is just a swing low for the second support level. Okay, so just watch out this zone, which is our first resistance, is our zone. Okay, if you were to zoom, I will just put here, and this slightly go down a little bit. It's yeah. Okay, it might just capture like this, like the wick and the body here from this wick, and this 38.2%. So this is our sell zone. So basically, okay. By the way, you can request if you want me to look for any specific pair for you guys. Okay. I did sell. Could we sell now? Price already in the zone, right? Somehow this is our confirmation. It seems like in M15 price just cannot close above. It seems like you can just sell from this level. Okay, for the EU. Okay, you just manage your risk if you want to sell. Okay. Talking about the GU as well. For the GBUSD, okay, price come from our support level, which is this is our first support, right? You can see that price could not go below, or the body cannot close below this week. And somehow I will identify this my first resistance, which is price rated at the resistance level. You can see that it then is falling. So this is your resistance zone. Okay. This is a zone, which is they just close to your 50% fib level, if I'm not wrong. Exact, right? And our second resistance, I will refer here. You will get as a second resistance. Okay, price already falling really strong. Okay. The next support level gonna be right here. This is your second support. Okay. So the GBP price already falling. This is the zone. And this is second resistance. And this is your first support. And this is your second support. Then the upper is right here. Okay. Here you guys can capture. Okay, price falling. Target at least here. Okay. See that falling from our first resistance. Okay. Overall, you see. Okay, I still identify this as my first resistance, and this kind of like a intermediate support. So price need to break below, and then I will target at the first support right here. You could get the first resistance by using the extension, right? You will see the price cannot. You can see that somehow near to our extension 127. So you could identify your second resistance based on the extension. Okay, so this is your second resistance. If you were to just to put here, and then you will get the sell from that level, right? We have extension right here. So for the support level, you can see one price come down, it seems like they bounce off because of the pullback support level. So you monitor first, but it is the key next level I will pick here for the first support, right? And the second support I will put here. We could use the retracement, and then you will get like 52. You see the price gonna close below 23.6%, right? And then add in one is 61.8. So this is gonna be somehow is your zone, right? Your zone for the second support. It might break here because of the news coming. We will need to see. Okay, so this is gonna be the zone. Okay, and it's gonna be another zone. Then the kind of like upper here, which is this number. Okay, so for you guys to see, this is the one. Okay, I will go through all the measures. Yesterday session is rising. At first, I thought like price will fall from this, but kind of see the price is falling, and then they could not go below of the, I think 15 support. Okay, so you can see that price stop at the extension, which is first resistance, right? And now it's rising because of the, I think the market open. I still target here for the first support. So basically, like I have the sell position open, but it seems like they might want to break my first resistance, and then I might have to wait for the next resistance level. That would be here. Would identify this on my second resistance, which is 1, 2. Is it going to be my pullback support, and the next support level that would be right here. I will put at the body, but they're going to be the zone, right? From the body and the wick. So this is the zone. For my second, oh, they're too far. Sorry, I just moved here. For my second support. Okay. So head fall really strong, just now was falling, but I don't know because of the market open, it rising already. So this is how it look like for the GBP. Okay, shall we scalp this one? You can see that just now price falling, okay, all the way here, like they could not pass below the support in M15, and then you can see that it's rising again. Okay, so if in M15 it's just ranging, you based on the M15 time frame, price just ranging in here. Okay, we will see whether price will fall from that level. For the USD CHF, I have the opening seen like early in the morning. Not early, it's like the Asia section. So we'll see. I still hold, but I have put my stop loss because it seemed like they might want to break above, so I will monitor like this level. Okay. I want to scalp. I will put here for my TP, but it seems like you see it missed by a few pip, right? And then it rising. So yeah, now it's almost go back to my break even. I will see how. Okay, but I already put my stop loss for this pair. Just monitor the level. Okay. Okay, for the UCAT. Okay, what you could see in UCAT that we will get the sell entry where when price pulling back and they cannot make a higher high, they make an equal high. So this one could be your first resistance, which will be sell, right? And this one is gonna be your first support, which is going to buy from this zone. Okay, you buy from this zone, you just this is gonna be your okay. I will identify this is my first resistance, which is a pullback. This is gonna be my second resistance. Okay, I will put here. So meaning that you're gonna buy from the support level, which is we do have like a demand zone somewhere there. This is the zone. Okay. This is your pullback resistance. This is your resistance level. Either you want to put the body here, then you want to highlight is the zone, which is here. Your resistance, the body, and the wick. Okay. Of course, the zone is quite big based on H4 time frame. That's why if you want to trade, you need to go to the lower time frame to wait for confirmation. Okay. If you want to wait for confirmation, then you will have a tight stop loss for that. All right. Okay. Here as well, price could not close below our support level. Here, so now it's rising to my first resistance. Here I might need to move up here, gonna be my first. My second resistance is gonna be right here. Okay, because I will seem like price falling and then continue to go up because here for time frame, price could not make a lower low, they make the like they break above this high already, right? And then over here seems like there's a divergence as well, like a bullish divergence here. And that's why price is rising. Okay. If price break above first resistance, you could see your second resistance just slightly before your extension right there. We could just show like that. Okay, so I think price is still rising. From here, price was ranging, gap up, right? And then falling becomes support, and then because of yesterday, pull all the way to the support level and then rising again. Okay, so I think dollar is falling. Oh, okay, dollar is still falling. That's why EU is rising. Now EU is at support resistance just now. GBP is also falling. Okay, USD JPY also rising. Okay, we still have to wait. It's still just now it's like rising. Now we start to see the pullback. Okay. This one is from the resistance level. Somehow here you will get the entry because of extension from there. Okay, so I haven't really changed the level. Second support I will put here. I will put here for my first support, sorry. Second support is going to be at the body of the support level is right here. Okay, you will ask me like, you could highlight here in the zone, right? Our strategy is that if price approaching your key level in the higher time frame, you need to go either M5 or M15 to enter your trade. And then you will have tight stop loss because we want to see the confirmation like price action, chart pattern, divergent in the lower time frame, and then you trade when the price come to this zone. Okay. And the second resistance, where is it, is here. Do you guys know how to identify the key level? If you want to be the expert, you need to like every day you need to highlight your key level. Okay, we could use the retracement as well. You will see that your second resistance is close to 78.6%. It just light up together, which is 78.6%, right? And over here, okay, we just leave it like that. This is the number, I forgot. Okay, this is the number. And at the week, this is the price. Okay. My first resistance. I will pick 61.8. It's gonna be my resistance zone for the second resistance. Okay, this is the one, all right. Now oil, moving to oil is the first resistance right here. Price is already falling. There's a gap right here as well. So did my first resistance still there? Okay. This one it was like a support level. Okay, but I refer here for my first support. Meaning that price still falling. That will be line up or close to 78.6%. Okay, that was still right here. The second support is going to be at the body of the candle. This is going to be my support, right? Which is the highlight the zone. You will see that. Okay. Now, you go to sell here. This is going to be, let me see, okay. Yeah, for the first resistance. What about our second resistance? Where should we pick? Then what we could use? We might need to use the extension if price break above. Okay, somehow it just we pick like extension and then we highlight the zone for the second resistance. Okay. Oh, I forgot to look at the I side. Okay, so still can falling at least 30. So that should be the hit the support level. Okay. Our lovely gold, I'm still waiting for price to pull back. You will see that it's oversold already. Okay, for gold, this used to be our support. Price break below this, our pullback resistance. But usually if I approaching my like first resistance, if I know that they're gonna have a high impact news, usually I don't trade. I will wait for like the next resistance level, which is second resistance. I will see, I will monitor the level. Okay, because price may just don't like have a spike up, like slippage. You can see that small pullback 23.6%. You want to wait at 23 or you want to wait at 50%. So it's also up to you, right? It's your choice. But usually we want to sell at the expensive. We want to sell here. I still consider like a cheaper price at 23.6%. Okay, so I just like leave like that and I will just monitor whether price have any rejection or any confirmation. Okay, this is a number. You may consider to sell, okay, before the news. But if price approaching the key level during the new release, like 15 to 20 minutes, you don't trade, okay? You wait for the new release or you wait for the next resistance. Okay. Mm. Oh, I miss out. Wait. This is their first support, which is price stop right there. Okay. My next resistance, I'll put here, my next support, or you can just put a like a multi-swing low here for the support level. Okay. And it will look like this one and this one. You have any specific pair you want me to have a look for you? BTC, okay. BTC is a mega all-time high. You know why price is stopped there? Yeah. You know why price stop here? When price break above your high, you need to use the extension. I think that will be 161, right? Extension 161.8 or not yet. So I think potential next resistance gonna be here. Okay, this is gonna be your pullback, right? You will see that. It's like break above yesterday, pull back here, and then people buy up because of Trump. Trump, you know that like he like to support like BTC. Right? So I will just say that is my first resistance for BTC. Okay. And this one I will put for my second support. Right? Over here, you to trade, you will see that there's a bullish divergence here. But now you see the price really overbought, so you might start to see price pullback. Okay, it may rise to here, you can consider to sell. You see price is pull back at this level or this price, somewhere around that. So, okay, this one price already break above, you can see the pullback. Later we will go to the H1 to have a look. See, right? You will see that this is withdraw from H4, right? You can see break above here. It's capture where should be the extension, and then you can see that people pull back and then buy up. Okay, and even though here I will see that there is a barely divergent here, so we see that that's why people selling. So you still could see price fall to this zone, and then it might bounce up again. Just monitor the level. Okay, it looks like in head 4. Okay, what about if price break above the high, then make a new all-time high? What we can use? Then we need to use the projection to project where the price is going to stop. Okay, so I will just pick like 100% projection, which is here for my second resistance. Or is we need to monitor whether price just want to stop here to make all-time high, or later tonight you need to like monitor again. Okay, so this is gonna be the resistance zone. Okay, so that would be the upper one is this number, which is here. Okay. Any pair beside the BTC or Bitcoin? Okay, any pair? Okay, we already look at our goal, right? Goal is here. Okay, maybe look at Germany 40. Germany 40, okay. What you could see in Germany 40, this they make an all-time high here, right? You can see that. And then you can see that even though here is your sell entry, right? Just like spike up, right? You can see either you can stop out, you can have a good entry here, but it's going to be and still be your first resistance. And then you need to like watch out for this level because these aren't going to be your second resistance, okay? But price come to capture here. You could just put here, or you just put like this your swing high, but I'll put here somehow, okay? And you could identify, we just put here for your second support, first support, okay? I leave for here second resistance. This capture here. Okay, that would be 127, 161. What we could use, 60%. It's 1.8% for the second support here. Can you show the BTI again? Oil? Okay. Give me a while, okay? After this, I will let me label the numbers. Oil is here. It's falling already. So like if you trade like this, that could be your like a resistance level. If it's like if we to trade like the body and the wick, right? It's here, and then you can see that your price action is here. That's why price falling really strong. Okay. Let's say if you wait for confirmation, right? You see that once you go to the M15, price come to the zone here, you didn't like come back again. As long as price could not like go beyond your first resistance, I mean the body not close, and then you can have the another sell entry again. Okay, and then you could just aim for the TP at like the support in M15. Okay. Any number? Okay, gold is still rising. I think we just wait here. Still gold to be safe. Okay, still rising. At least 20, 26.73 to 75. Like you can start selling, but it's quite a big zone, so we have to wait first. Okay, any pair? We still have Germany 40 recover. This one is falling. How many pip already? Still falling, I think. Now like almost 20 pip. You're welcome. GBU also falling just now. In H4 is falling like more than 30 pip already for GBP. Okay. UJ, I think you're still falling. I expected that it will falling at least like this zone for the TP1. Okay, and then all the way to the pullback support. You see CHF still, I told you right, I still have this position open here. I still hold, okay, and I put my stop loss above the first resistance, that's all. Okay, I will just see if the price is still falling. Because now almost end of my work, so I will see the fallback here again at the like recent swing low. I might want to close, which is with the profit. Okay, so now I still hold and I will see. As long as I did not go above first resistance, that's fine. But you go above, it hit my stop loss, and then I will wait. Either come back tomorrow or maybe I will see how later tonight. Okay. Okay, you can still rising, right? We will wait for the price to pull back here, and then we want to sell. Okay, because they break below the support, right? It used to be our overlap support. Then now we wait for price to pull back here, and we're gonna sell. Aussie still rising. Okay, so this is gonna be what your sell zone, right? The sell zone which is here. You wait for confirmation, okay? Or if you are aggressive trader, and then you can sell. Then you might know where to put your stop loss and take profit. Okay, it's right there. Gold still rising, should go up. We will aim, we're still waiting for gold to sell. Germany 40, rising as well. You will watch out from that level. What about the DJ? You can sell the Dow Jones, okay, or US 30 because price is at the somehow the resistance level, and then we see the price action. So this is your sell entry. Okay, but you need to manage your risk because the next resistance that's gonna be another extension. Okay, so this is how it look like, meaning that we already see the price action. Okay, which we expected the price before, at least here for your pullback support. Okay, I will go to the M15 and we'll see, right? You see that this is your sell, right? Yes, we're gonna sell because you can see the price could not make a higher high. This is your sell DJ. Okay, so you want to sell, you just manage your risk. It look like that. You will see continue to go down or not. I'll see, okay? But I will see later I will sell Dow Jones. Expected at least price may come here, dig another demand zone. Or you could just put here for your TP. Okay, but if price break above like this swing high, you just get stop out. Then you wait for the next, or wait for like price to pull back first. Doing, oh, like they like go above, break above, then you will get like stop out. Okay, don't hold. Just if hit the stop loss, then we just wait for the next entry. Okay, maybe you can support here. Yeah, overbought already. Okay, let's just see. It start to see H1 it look nice, okay, because there's a divergence as well. Bearish divergence versus the ISI. Okay. Okay, do you have any pair you want me to look? No more. You see that? You see your price action is here, right? You see your confirmation. That's why we want to sell Dow Jones or DJ30. Okay. And you could aim here for the TP because you want to highlight this is your bullet of the block. Okay, so this is gonna be, you will see that price will bounce from this level, like this zone. Okay. You will see. It was trade, right? Put stop loss slightly above. That's gonna be your stop loss. Depending on how far you can put, because our loss size is different, our capital is different. Okay. Anyone want to, do you want to request? If not, I think I will end the webinar. Okay, let's just look for this zone. This is going to be your support, right? You can see break above. You can see that pullback, boom, still rising. Sin price make an all-time high, right? They make a this one I will just put here. So I will just say this my resistance level somehow. Okay, this is gonna be my second resistance based on the extension. Okay, just put here. Let me finding the put here for the support. Okay, so now we don't sell, we don't buy, we don't do anything because we need to wait for H4 to close first. It's still rising, and then you should wait for the second resistance. Like that. Okay. BTC. Okay, don't forget. You will wait where? Somewhere around here. Around here. Part minus a few pip. Okay. Dollar time here. You will see. You will see prior pullback. Shifted. Okay. All right. Any requests? Because I think I cover almost all for the. Maybe one more is GJ. GJ you can sell, right? Here for time frame, you can see the price could not make a higher high. This is your first entry, your first resistance. That's how that is we sell. These are your support. We're gonna buy here. Okay, so this is your buy entry. First resistance. Where's your second support? Here, right? You can see that what is our second resistance? They're gonna be here. So okay, okay. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any question or in answer early, okay, that's all for like today, guys. Last question, don't have, and then I will see you guys again in the next webinar. Okay, take note of high impact news later. Okay, and gold is we still are waiting at the level. All right, thank you so much for your time. See you again in the next webinar. Okay, bye for now. Take care, guys.